That was the master breath, aka breath of fire. The root of most imbalances in your life, physical, mental, energetic, typically lie in your pranic energy. We can self-regulate and recreate our natural balance when both sides of the breath are regulated, equal and easy, inflow and outflow. You only take in as much as you can let go. With a balance in pranic energy and your breath, your life never feels empty or starved, burdened, or overwhelming. On Saturday, October the 26th, I'm going to be offering an in-depth workshop for breathing techniques that are very exclusive to Kundalini Yoga. Join me to dive into the applied yogic science, rituals, and devotional practices of Kundalini technology, which contains some of the most powerful breath and self-regulating practices that I'm aware of on the planet. I'm going to break down how to practice this unique breath work very specifically, safely, and accurately to develop your Pranic Life Force Energy, which rules your vitality and supports your mental, physical, and nervous system regulation and balance. This lab is one that you won't want to miss. Your breath holds keys to peace, happiness, prosperity, and endurance. This will be on Saturday, October the 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Come explore the breath technology of Kundalini Yoga. Satnam.